Hi folks, welcome to my channel again. Today is a different story. I'm trying to cook again. The other day I made some food. It was excellent. So I decided to do it again. But this time I'm doing it with the chicken. This is what I'm gonna have, guys. This is the recipe. It's very easy. You got some bacon. Oh, here we go. We got some bacon. We're gonna just slice the bacon to pieces, put it in the pot and cook the bacon. And then we're going to slice this thing into pieces also. Yes, we're going to slice this into pieces and put some salt and pepper. A little bit of salt and pepper, so that's what I'm going to do. And put in pieces and cook it also the same way we cook the bacon, on the same oil. Okay? Then we're going to slice this guy. We're going to slice it. This is green pepper. Then we're going to slice this guy. We're going to cook this one first on the same oil. We're going to cook, this is onion. And then we're going to slice these guys and cook it together. The onion and things together. And then you're going to use this guy. This is cabbage. I'm going to put this thing on the side here. Okay. And then we're going to make fried cabbage with chicken and bacon. Fried cabbage with chicken and bacon. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna slice this bacon into pieces. Get it ready. Okay, I'll show you how I slice it. I can't show you after I'm finished slicing it. I'll show you guys because I can't slice it. I can't show. I got one hand. Okay, so now any further ado, let me start. Oh, we're gonna put some spinach in there. Some baby asparagus and spinach. That's what we're gonna put in there. Why am we doing this? My nephew wanted to try that. So this organic. There's no relation whether organic or not. I don't care. I just put it in there. I'm gonna put that in there also. Okay, guys. Let me put that on the side. And let me start cooking. Now I'm making the rice. This is the rice, guys. The rice getting ready. Okay, folks, this is my bacon. I'm about to cook it. I slice it into pieces. I already sliced my green pepper, and my onion. Okay? Don't forget we have 2 Maggies here, guys. You gotta prepare the Maggi and get ready to go. Okay? So, I'm gonna put my bacon in there. And then my onion first. And then let's see what happens, guys. Okay, folks, my bacon is being cooked. Almost done. And I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on my chicken. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. I'm gonna wash it and put some salt and pepper on my chicken. I'm ready to fry the chicken, guys. I put some salt and pepper. You can see it in there. I add some oil in there. I don't like too much oil, so I'll add some oil in there. I'm about to put some chicken in there, guys. Guys, my chicken being cooked. It's being cooked now. I'm start picking in the bacon, guys. Yeah, I like the bacon. Guys, I'm still cooking the chicken. It looks like I'm almost done. The song is already done. So almost done, guys. Come on, done with the chicken. My chicken is done. So there's no more oil in the pot. I'm going to put some more oil and then fry the onion, the vegetables, and then the cabbage. Okay, guys, my onion looks good. I'm going to put the green pepper and the red pepper in there and let it cook. Guys, I think my vegetables getting ready. Now I have to put the cabbage in there. Okay, let me for 2 seconds, guys. Okay, guys, I put my cabbage. I just lower the volume a little bit more. I just lower the volume. I'm gonna cover it. Let's see what happened there in a few minutes. Guys, I'm getting ready for my seasoning. This is the box. This is what the thing look like. I just dump it in the hot water. I heat up for 1 minute. You can see the smoke coming out of it. Okay, there we go, guys. For 1 minute, I'm gonna stir it a little bit. Guys, this is my cabbage. It's looking good so far. It's looking good, guys. So I'm about to stir it up. I had to hold the phone. I can't stir it up one hand. Okay, guys, I've almost forgot my spinach. Okay, guys, I'm gonna use half of the spinach. Whatever the hell that thing. Guys, I'm gonna use half of this because my thing is too much, so I'm gonna use half of it. Guys, this is my spinach. I'm gonna pour it in there. Okay, I'm gonna make room for it. This is my spinach. So now I'm gonna mix it up together and let it cook for a while. Guys, I decided to put the rest of the spinach. This will take too much space in my fridge. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of it in. Guys, I already put some seasoning in there. So I'm gonna put the rest of it. I'm gonna put the chicken and the sausages in there. Here we go, guys. Okay. And I'm gonna just go with the rest of the seasoning in there, guys. Okay, guys, I'm already put the chicken in there. I thought I turned the camera. I decided I did not. It's looking good, guys. Guys, I think the food is ready. Okay, so I'm about to pour something on I put my rice together. Put my rice together. That's a lot of rice though. But anyway, I'm gonna pour something in there. It should be good. This is gonna be great, man. In case you guys want to know what is this, it's cabbage. The food tastes so good, guys. Can't even talk. Let me take a little bite again. I'll tell you what it is after. It's rice, cabbage, green pepper, red pepper, and Guys, I put this in the description, okay, guys? Woo! This thing tastes so good. Can't help it, guys. Woo! Hallelujah!